Morning class 7th, we were doing chapter number 11, fundamental concepts. We have studied about constants and variables. What are constants, children? Constants are those which do not change, and variables are those which keeps on changing, which keeps on varying. Constants have got fixed value, whereas the variables can be assigned or given any value according to the requirement. And we have also studied about what is a term, what are algebraic expression. Now we will move further. Now comes types of algebraic expressions. First is your monomial. The condition is, children, it has got only one term. Like this example, please see. X 5xy minus 7x upon 4. Now remember, children, we have studied this thing. Product and division do not separate the term. 4x 4 into x है ना, 3x into 4y, 3x divided by 4y, they will be considered as only one term. So you can see here x is one term, 5xy, 5 into x into y, it will be taken as only one term. So they are your monomial. Minus 7x upon 4, it is also only one term. So it is called your monomial. Then comes your binomial. It has got two terms. Plus and minus sign separate the terms now, remember. So 1 2, two terms. 1, because division will be in division we take it as only one term. Then 2, so 1 and 2, two terms. Again 1 minus and 2, two terms. So it is your binomial. Then comes your trinomial. Tri, it has got three terms. From the name only you can understand this thing. So 1, then plus 2, then plus, then 3. So trinomial. Similarly 1, 2 and 3, trinomial. Clear? Then comes your multinomial. Has more than 3 terms. It has got more than 3 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is your multinomial. Then comes your polynomial. Has 2 or more than 2 terms. 2 or more than 2. Every binomial, every trinomial, every multinomial, they are your polynomial. 2 or more than 2. Clear, class? Now, an expression of the type 4 upon x does not form a monomial unless x is not equal to 0. This should not be equal to 0 unless it is not equal to 0. Since x is a variable, it can take any value. If it takes the value 0, that is, if the value of x is 0, the expression 4 upon x will be what? 4 upon 0, which is not defined. Similarly, 7 upon y is not a monomial unless this is not equal to 0. Means it can take any value but should not take the value 0. Similarly, this, until both of them, x and y, are not equal to 0. They can take any value but they should not take 0 and 0, because at 0 that term will become not defined. Means you will be not having any answer for that. Clear, class? Next comes product. When two or more quantities, constants, variables, or both are multiplied together, the result is called their product. Remember, for example, 2 into 3, 6. Now this 6 is what? Product, and these 2 and 3 are your factors. We'll be reading about factors now only. So they are your factors and this is your product. So 2 or more quantities like 2 into 3 into 4. So they are your factors, and the result, the answer of their product, 2 3 is 6, 4 is 24. This is called your product. When you multiply them, 2 into 3 into 4, this is your product, and these are your factors. Like here you can see 4ay. This is the product of what? 4 into a into y will give you 4ay. Similarly, 8b is the product of what? 8 into b. Clear? Each of the quantities multiplied together to form a term is called a factor of the term. Now this is the product and these are your factors. Here also this is the product, but for a and y separately they are the factors. Separately they are the factors, and multiplication of them is your product. 8 is factor, b is factor, and 8b is product. 3a and y are the factors of the term 3ay. Clear? 2a and b are the factors of the term 2ab, and so on.